Morning everyone.
Morning folks.
Hope you're all well.
Yeah.
Well, we're off again on another trip, aren't we?
Yes, we're going to a rally, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to a rally in Shotley,
near Ipswich.
Yeah. And it is Nick and Carol's rally, along with Posh Cats Camping.
Yes, so we'll be happy to see some familiar faces now.
Yeah. So the route we're taking is, Tony?
From here onto the A1 near Newark, straight down towards Cambridge, then pick up the A14 to Ipswich / Felixstowe, and Shotley is a little village just to the south of Ipswich.
Yeah, so it should be a nice journey, provided, keep fingers crossed, we don't get any hold-ups.
Yeah, not like last time.
No, we've just taken our Belle to school, so we're all geared up now, and we've got Archie. He's coming with us on this one because it's on a pub site with a big field at the back, so you can go into the pub for meals and dogs are welcome. So we can bring him with us, so that's good. So we'll come back to you in a short while. Bye everybody.
Bye for now. In the van up.
I'll get Archie out.
Yes. Alright. Yeah.
Well, we're all set up. Tony's just sitting, having 5 minutes. Chilling out after our, how long was it?
And just resting my poorly foot.
Yeah, resting his poorly foot still. I don't know. So how long was the journey?
It took us nearly 4 hours, but we did stop for about half an hour.
Yeah, we had a break and had some lunch, didn't we? We'd packed some sandwiches, so we had some lunch, didn't we?
Yeah, the roads were pretty good, really.
Yeah, Archie's in the background eating his
No real hold-up.
lunch. Yeah, no real hold-ups, was there? It was a good run. I've got the awning, not the awning, sorry, the canopy up, and the netting. It's like plastic, isn't it? Let me show you.
It's like a plastic fabric.
Yeah, it's plastic fabric. It's ever so good though, it just keeps the wind off you. Oh yeah. Tent Pro, I can't even say it, tentproinc.com. tentproinc.com. Nice and warm, and we're parked next to Posh Cats there.
Yeah.
And then there's Aaron over there, caravan chit chat in his caravan. And there's Joe and Sheila, part of the Posh Cats gang, just in front of us. So I think we're just going to go for a walk, aren't we, in a bit?
We are.
We're going to have a walk with Archie.
Give him some exercise.
Give him a bit of a walk round. Later there's some entertainment on, isn't there?
There's a
in
band
the pub.
at the pub.
Yes,
Yeah.
a band tonight, so we'll be boogieing.
Yeah.
Tony with his cronky foot, look how red it is.
Yeah,
It's
in
not,
comparison.
Yeah, to that one. It's not getting any better. We need to go and get some cherry juice apparently.
Cherry juice.
So we're going to the shop to see if we can get some. So we'll come back to you later, everybody. Bye for now. Archie, you're going to say bye-bye? Oh, he's eating. Can't believe it. Right, we've just come out of the campsite, which is at the back field there. I don't know if you can see it. You see some flags flying. And we're standing outside the Rose Pub. And we were there last night, weren't we, Tony?
Hey?
We were at the Rose Pub last night. We sat in the courtyard, didn't we? Oh dear, it's a bit noisy. We've got motorbikes. Yes, there was a band playing last night, and it was Rekovered, something like that.
Rekovered, yeah.
I'll check the proper name when I get back. And they were absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
They played every type of music.
I think they're quite
you
regulars
liked.
at this rally.
Yes.
The early event.
Yeah.
Because Nick tends to book them in.
Yes, it was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we did that last night. We didn't get to bed till gone midnight, did we?
No, that's when they stopped playing. Yeah.
Yeah, and then this morning we've just had a chill. Tony went out on his bike for a bit, didn't you? Or on my bike for a bit. And then we wished Sheila and Joe a happy golden wedding anniversary.
Yes.
And we've had a glass of champagne and a piece of their cake, which was lovely. And now we're just coming out to take our Archie a walk.
Try and tire him out.
Tire him out a bit. So we'll just turn you around and you can just see, I hope the GoPro picks it up, see the river in the distance.
Yeah.
Come across this sign and it's a restricted byway, but we can walk up here. It just means no motorised vehicles.
Yeah, I think it leads to a farm initially.
Yes. So we're going to have a little walk up here and see what we can find. Oh, it looks quite nice at the top here. Kind of seeing some logs. The way this summer's going, it'll be log time soon for the fire. Oh, there's some sheep. Just come across this field. It's got some sheep in it. A few in the hedge, look. Oh, they're keeping out the sun. There's a lovely apple tree here I've come across. Got lots of apples on it. Look at that sky. The back of the campsite is just over and across that field.
Just see
Yeah, there's a flag flying there, look.
Yeah.
And this is a lovely little path to walk. You can see the cranes in the distance there. From the harbour.
Yeah. Feel it, so docks aren't far away.
Lots of pretty wild flowers along the hedgerow. Fields full of, looks like kale, or not cabbages, it looks like kale. Might be wrong. Yeah, pretty poppies. There's such a lot of them. More wild flowers along here. Pretty little daisies. We're getting closer to that crane. Look at this field. Full of beautiful yellow daisies with poppies all in the background. And then over here we've got the river. And there's a big Stena Line ship, I'll call it, there. The cranes, more cranes there. There's 2 yachts out on the river. God, it's hot here. The sun is beating down. I should have brought my hat and I haven't got one with me. Forgot it. Not to worry. A field full of wheat. Morning everyone.
Morning.
Hope you're all okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're at the Suffolk Rally at the Rose Inn. It's been really nice, hasn't it?
Yes, excellent.
Yeah, we're leaving today.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd just tell you about our rally weekend. So we got here Friday, didn't we?
Yeah.
Very chilled, isn't it? Lovely
Yeah.
to see people. We saw Posh Cats, Trev and Sue, and Herman Hits the Road, Ads and Zoe.
Yeah.
Then obviously there was Nick and Carol who were organising it. They were the marshals along with Posh Cats. And then of course there was Sheila and Joe.
Of course,
Yeah,
yes.
and it was Sheila and Joe's golden wedding anniversary, and they didn't want anybody to know.
Yeah.
They wanted a very low-key...
Low profile. They didn't want any fuss.
No. But Trev and Sue and Nick and Carol had organised a cake for them, and they put all balloons up. It was lovely, wasn't it? And we all had a little glass of champagne to celebrate their golden wedding anniversary.
Yeah, which was a bit, well, a shock to them.
Yeah.
And a big surprise to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was lovely.
Yeah.
We also went out walks, didn't we? We had a couple of walks. Archie's tired out as usual. He's not moving. He's on the floor. And then at the evenings, because we're in a field behind the pub, there was a group on, or do they call it a band these days?
Yeah, in
a
the
band
pub
on,
itself.
Called Rekovered.
Yeah.
Oh, and they were really good, weren't they? They can play anything, absolutely anything.
Yeah, yeah. They played about 2 hours worth of music from every genre.
Yeah.
It was, from rock to soul.
Yeah, also
to
classics.
ballet. Yeah.
We were there till midnight, weren't we? It was really good, a really good night. And then last night, it was called the Soul Project, and this was a guy on his own.
Yeah.
Oh, and he was really good, wasn't
Yeah,
he?
yeah.
His voice could change to anything.
Yeah.
It was fantastic.
So we're very impressed with the music.
Yeah, we were only going to be there an hour. We ended up being there till about, was it 11:30?
Yeah,
something
last
like
night
that.
as well. So we've had 2 late nights for us.
So we'll have to have an early one, I think.
Yeah.
We're not used to staying up that late.
I know.
So anyway, we'll be leaving this morning and we're going to Thetford Forest. It's a caravan and motorhome club site in the forest.
Yeah.
So Tony will be able to go bike riding, won't you?
Yeah, I've heard there's lots of bike routes. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just having one night there, and we're going back home tomorrow.
Yeah. So it's en route home.
Yeah.
It's about an hour and a half
from here.
Yeah.
But we just thought, we normally do a Friday to a Monday, so because this was only 2 nights, we thought, oh well, let's do another night on the way back.
Yeah,
So that's what we've done.
Yeah, so you'll be able to join us en route to there.
Yeah.
And there's Archie, worn out. We've worn him out over the weekend.
So we'll see you when we get to Thetford Forest,
We
everyone.
will. Bye for now.
Bye.